So in this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find multifamily listings for sale here on Realtor.ca. So once Realtor.ca is opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and press on the search button. So if you're in the bottom right here on the menu screen, just go to the bottom left, press on search, then go to the top and select your area. So for this example, if I were to select Vancouver, as an example right here, Vancouver, British Columbia, I will choose my area. Once that is done, go to the top right and press on filters. Once you're here, make sure that residential and for sale is selected. Then just scroll down to where it says building right here or property type. Either one will work, but for example, if you were to go to property type, press on the drop right here. You can then select on multi-family listings. Once that is done, go to the bottom right and press on search. And then once you're here, it's going to be refining your search to multi-family listings for sale. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find multi-family listings for sale on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.